In this video, I will show you step by step how you made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay. And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $9,210 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay. So what you will do, just come to this page like this, scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliates, okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. So what you need to do next, you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next. And that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates and this will be your home page. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to choose a good service that will be profitable for you, that you can promote on YouTube to earn commission. I will show you guys how you can do it. So what you will do, you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Go to your YouTube homepage. So first, why I choose YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? That's really a big number. Millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for products, specific services, specific topics, and so much more. Okay, so if you start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube, if you did this method that I will share with you, you can make a lot of money. Okay, of course, you should stay consistent and work hard. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, okay, after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. People are using YouTube to search for specific services, products, and topics and so much more. Okay, that's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. So I know people, I'm following people who are making millions of dollars every single month from YouTube just by promoting affiliate links, okay, using free traffic from YouTube. There is so much traffic, 13 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number. Okay, so anyways, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to design, for example, how to design Instagram, how to design Instagram, okay, how to design Instagram posts, for example, and here you go. Just ask any question. So for example, how to design Instagram posts, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. Okay, as you can see, people are searching for how to design Instagram posts for business, how to design Instagram posts in Canva, how to create Instagram posts with text, how to create Instagram posts, how to create Instagram posts with music. So let's take for example this topic. Okay, the first topic, how to design Instagram posts for business. I will go to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, so just go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search and search for design Instagram posts. Okay, it's super easy. Let me show you. Search for design Instagram post. okay? And you will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr who are providing this service, okay? For just like this one, for just $10, this one will design Instagram posts, okay? For those people who are searching for how to design Instagram posts for business, they will be interested to buy this service, okay? Because they are running a business on Instagram and they want a professional and a good, attractive Instagram post, okay? So what you will do, so now I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. So let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, like this one is looking good, top rated seller. This one is level 2 seller. And let's see this one. So this one is really looking good. So let's, for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star, okay? So what you will do, you will, so let me see, just click on his service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link, okay? Just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, okay? And click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay? Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, go back to the seller profile page, click on his picture, okay? Just click on his picture, double click, save this picture to your laptop, okay? Save image. I will name it, for example, post 1. Click here and upload and save the next picture, okay? Okay, post 2. Save image, post 3, and I will save the last one, okay? So just those pictures are enough. So what you will do next, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and it's for free. Just click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload those pictures to your Canva account, okay? Like this. Upload all those pictures to your Canva account. It's super easy, okay? So this is the method that I'm using to earn a lot of commission, okay? So let me see, I will upload this one. And I will upload this last one, okay? Okay, so after you finish, click on the first picture and your picture will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set image as background, click on add page, add this one here like this, and click on set image as background like this. And after you finish, so go to the first page, click over here on text, okay? Scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use for your video. So I will use this text style. Click on your text and your text will be over here. I will delete this part. I will decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will add this text here, double click and write this sentence: check link in my description, okay? Check link in my description like this, and here you go. So after you finish, click on Elements and click over here on Shape, okay, and add this shape here, okay, to make your title looking good. Okay, here you go. After you finish, click on this text and click on duplicate, okay, and put this text here, okay. Click again on shape and make it like this, okay. It's really easy, it's super easy, okay, like this. Check link in description, okay. Let me see. So we will, this is a slideshow video that we will use to promote our affiliate link in YouTube, okay, like this, okay. As you can see, after you finish, click. So people who will watch your video, they will see this check link in my description, and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, okay. Click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, okay, and use this title, okay. Just copy and paste, don't add or change anything. Copy this title, how to design Instagram posts for business. Copy this title, add this title to your YouTube video, okay, and in your YouTube description, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. It's super easy, okay. That's how we can promote affiliate links on YouTube, and that's how we can get free traffic for your affiliate links on YouTube, okay. So for people who don't know how to do it, I will leave a link in my description. Check description of this video that you are watching right now, okay. Check description, you will find a video showing you step by step how we can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how we can put affiliate link in your YouTube description, okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.